everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install the most beginner-friendly wig I've ever gotten. This pre-cut 4C edge wig is from a new hair company called Luvwin hair. My package also came with a few gifts and I got an edge brush, headband, wig caps, bonnet, lashes, and an elastic wrap. I got this wig in 20 inches and 180% density, and this is what the inside cap construction looks like. It's a 13x4 lace frontal with combs at the back and either side, and there's also a removable adjustable band. As I mentioned, this wig did come with pre-cut lace and 4C edges for a super natural and seamless install. I would say that this is the perfect first wig. So this is what the wig looks like going straight from the stand to my head with no extra work done. As you can see, there really isn't a whole lot to do, and the edges make it look super realistic for us with type 4 hair. The first thing I did to customize this wig was just cutting off the excess lace. Since this wig was pre-cut, there wasn't a whole lot to get rid of, so this process was super quick and easy. The next thing I did after that was just take a rat tail comb to neaten up the parting area. I didn't do a whole lot to my edges, but I did want them flowing in the same direction. After that, I went in with my hot comb to get my parting area as flat as possible. Again, I didn't really mess with the edges much because I wanted to keep them looking as natural as possible. I typically use the back side of my hot comb for this portion. I decided I wanted this install to be semi-glueless, so I went in with my Got2b freeze spray and added a few sprays at the front and sides of my hairline. I secured this with the elastic band that came as part of the package. I sat with that elastic on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then played around with the edges a bit more to get them exactly how I wanted. I didn't use any heat, I just fluffed out the edges to make them look as natural as possible. I did attempt to go in with some edge control to lay these baby hairs, but ended up deciding it looked better in its natural state, so I wouldn't really actually recommend gelling the baby hairs down in this unit. Alright everyone, well this is how this install ended up turning out on me. I did end up fluffing this hair out a bit more off camera just to get a fuller look, but I was overall super impressed with how quick and easy it was to install this unit. The pre-cut lace and 4C edges honestly make this the perfect wig for anyone with minimal wig installing experience. Big thank you to Luvwin Hair for sending me this unit. Be sure you guys check out their website because they have so many different wig options with these 4C edges. Thank you guys so much again for staying tuned throughout this entire video. Be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly lifestyle and fitness content. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!